That insulation will be hanging in them trees for years.
It got all over the place. On the power line. There's a save lot sign got destroyed too. There's a Save a Lot groceries cart over there.
Probably Family Dollar. No, Family Dollar is blue. Yep, that's a Save a Lot cart. They're red. It was spinning right on top of this asphalt.
That car sitting there, it got foam in it. It got insulation in its window.
Look at that. Got crushed. Something landed on it. Just imagine it sitting here spinning and having all that debris in it, and it spun it right up around the end in the fender wells. There you go. Car wash got hit hard too.
And it destroyed this little city.
Man, pick up a nail or anything driving through here.
Look at that truck, windows shattered.
Right here.
Power out.
The heavy damage.
See that pole got ripped off and the power's out or something up here.
Yeah. Look at this pole over here. This is why it's worse and slow getting through here. Power lines are hanging down on the road. There you go.
Where does my mom's dad live?
And I better call mom and dad and tell them. Well, no, I won't call them right now. They're asleep. Wow. This is crazy.
Look at that pole there, it's all bottled up. It like came through this and like went around or something.
It right here, this is worse than that back there was. Look at these buildings through here. Holy smoke.
What's this town called anyway?
Salyersville. Salyersville, Kentucky. S-A-W, S-A-L-W, Salyers, S-A-L-W-E-R-S.
Oh, look at that. Top of that thing got stuck in it.
Yep, top of the power pole.
I've never seen that before.
Came right over that hill, buddy.
That whole pillar there is smashed. Them poor little cars right there in the motel.
You think that was a motel?
Probably. Had little rooms in it. And they were just standing there. That whole top of that house got took off. You can see inside of it.
It was a gas station, bud.
Holy smokes.
The damage is getting worse.
There's insulation again.
Holy cow, look at that building right there.
God.
China Express no longer exists. That's not China Express. Right
That's
there.
auto parts.
Is that an auto parts place?
Yeah.
Advanced Auto?
Yeah, it got hit.
Dang. Well, you know people are trying to get free parts. I bet this place got looted last night. I guarantee it did. They put an X on it. That means nobody got killed in there. 0 over at X. They said 28 people got killed in Kentucky last night. Daggone, there's a restaurant completely gone too.
0.
I don't know what kind of restaurant that was.
I don't know either. It's small. There's only a few cars. It was a Subway.
Oh man.
Subway sign. There's only 2 people in there.
They had a 2 over it?
They didn't get killed. There's 2 people, 2 cars sitting there.
Oh.
Dairy Queen's staying strong. It shows you how strong Dairy Queen is. Subway can't make it. Dairy Queen can. What's that big sign up there? It's tore all pieces.
I don't know.
For sale. Arby's. That man's got a Red Bull. He must have got one out of the gas station. There's another little store.
There's a flag hanging out the back of that truck. Oh, they were looking over the bank. State troopers sitting there watching over that bank. Wow, this is
You gotta look over at
crazy.
for McDonald's.
This is the heaviest yet right here, JD. It was huge right here.
I thought that don't even look like a McDonald's sign up there. The M is like completely bent.
This is where the heaviest. This is where it was its strongest right here.
0.
These trailers over here, tractor trailers, tossed over.
They put a 0 on the McDonald's.
It's a lot of cable laying there.
Terrible. That hill, that mountain is just a little hill now, branches on it. Oh goodness. These houses are gone too. Hate this. Clothes everywhere.
Gone, daggone. Pray for these people.
I've searched all the houses for people, ain't nobody in.